Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through this fault code here, P190D00 Coolant pump 4 charge pressure cooler mechanic malfunction. So if you're getting this, it's to do with that there, that one there, that component. So I'll sharpen the light up, that there. It is pretty easy. I would do it myself. I wouldn't, well, I mean, it depends how handy you are. But that's it right there, guys. If I don't drop the phone. There we go. It was a bit of a... If you ask me, I'm sure anyone could do it. It's them two hoses that you would disconnect. And there is a sensor on there. And there is another, probably, attachment to the engine. It's probably a bolt size 810. By OEM genuine thermostat, you don't want to, not the coolant pump, sorry, you don't want to buy aftermarket Chinese stuff. Buy genuine, pop it on. It is a case of plug and play. On this, it may even bring up the engine management light in some cases, or it may not, but reality is that is to do with that there. And this is a petrol engine on the VW. Reality is they are found here. You can find them on the diesels or whatnot. It is a plug and play, nothing else.